We had to take a break because the spacer almost fell off.
Facts.
Gabe almost died. My keys in my 2021 Ram 3500. I have to take my brand new iPhone 13 and unlock it with my Ram app, you know? It sucks. So such a hard life, man.
Yeah, I can do that with my King Ranch.
Yeah, it's blown up though, so not really.
It was a motivational quote. It says, "They told me I couldn't. That's why I did it."
Blow up your truck?
Bingo. No.
I did tell you couldn't blow up your truck. You did. You surprised me.
Yep. You couldn't put 40s on? Put 40s on.
Oh, it's unlocked. Gotta go.
See ya. Enjoy turning. Yeah, it's worse than my truck. Can't turn. He has like half the turning radius that my truck has. Well, we're gonna say goodbye to this for the weekend. Infinite Customs is gonna hook me up with the best sound system. Because if you can't tell, with that big tip, it like rattles my brain, and the stock stereo don't cut it. So we're gonna have to get some like 16-inch subs. I think maybe 8 of them in there. A blow through, 2 touchscreen TVs. Well, radios.
4 touchscreen TVs.
Well, 4 TVs and then 2 touchscreen radios.
Gotcha. So 6.
I think 6 door speakers in each door. So
Yeah.
that's 6, 12, 20,
Fiberglass.
24 speakers.
How many amps they putting in?
I believe 12.
12 amps.
I think it's 12. That's what they said.
Yeah,
They're going to have to put them under the headliner on the roof because there's not enough room.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what's going to happen to this thing. Then they got some sick builds. They're going to, I think, spray paint
No one ever believes it was a struggle.
the wheels.
They're gonna spray paint my wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
To make it match the truck.
You get a sound system and I get spray painted wheels.
Yes.
Gotcha.
That's part of the deal. That's my old Jeep. Nobody's seen my old Jeep, but that is my old Jeep.
Yeah, there
I
it
have
is.
one identical to it.
Nice, yeah.
I wrecked it. I'm gonna buy that one.
That one's pretty nice.
I'm gonna be G.I. Joe for Halloween, and that's gonna be my ride for Halloween.
Nice.
G.I. Joe.
Fast 6.0, junk.
Junk. That truck right there.
Sick.
Everybody needs to let me know. Should I buy that truck? So I'm gonna get rid of the King Ranch. Possibly. Should I buy that 4th gen? Should I buy Sebastian's 4th gen?
No, I want to buy Sebastian's 4th gen.
Or should I buy another King Ranch? Or a 5th gen? Y'all let me know.
That one's for sale though.
That is for sale.
Very nice truck. Got a grumper, got a lift, wheels, tires. Just hit up Infinite Customs.
Literally. Infinite
Literally.
Customs has everything.
That-
Jeeps,
GTRs.
Is that 30s?
Turn around.
20 foot. Oh yeah, I remember that thing. I only seen the taillights though.
Yeah, when I got waxed.
Yeah, so the Corvette was fast until it met. They got this Jeep. That thing's
Whoa.
sick. I'm not gonna lie. It has horn blasters on it.
It
and I
just scared the
almost
shit out of me.
Shit my pants when it drove by and it hit the horn. I don't even know what size these are. What are those?
6s?
6s? Are they?
Probably bigger. Those are 30s. Damn. Infinite
Shit, I
Custom.
told you. How many Jeeps can they have?
Oh,
That
nice. Nice.
Is that the stock Rubicon bumper? Color match?
I have
That's
not-
actually freaking sick.
That's baller.
Bro, I'm not even
actually
gonna
dig. I don't even like Jeeps.
Where's his Ferrari at?
I think it's at home. The R8. I think he left that at home.
Okay, no, but all bullshit aside, I really think that's my Jeep.
I'm actually buying that one.
Box. Should we?
I'm not taking it out. It's not done.
It actually has 12 subs in it. Those are just the biggest, the smallest ones.
I like that color. I'm actually LP24V now.
Hello, Logan. Wait, whose truck is that? Give it a little pedal. Yeah. I need my 40s back on there and my 6s. It looks too puny.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
You excited?
I'm pumped.
Are you?
Like, really pumped. I'm about to be like this all the way to Missouri. As soon as I get there, I'm gonna take like a 30-minute nap and then be bumping all the way to Texas. Oh. I hear a 12 valve. It still looks puny with them wheels.
Hey, what's the problem?
By the looks of it, your exhaust looks a little bit kind of loose back here. 100% sure. Oh, this cannot be like. I mean, this is not normal. There's no way this is fine.
Hey, who made these exhaust hangers?
Helen Keller.
I think Helen Keller made the exhaust hangers.
I swear to God.
Jesus Christ.
So if you check this out, my old stereo, I had these two things. If you don't know what these are like the broke guys Bluetooth. Okay, they're like $5, right? So you plug it into the aux, and you hit this, and you connect your phone to this, and that's how I played Bluetooth through this truck.
Wow, poverty edition. Huh?
Poverty bad. Like when one died, oh, I had the other one charged, ready to go. You know what I mean? But now they hooked me up with a new Kenwood. Bro, don't need these no more. These are trash. We don't need them.
I kind of want those though.
Oh, you still want them?
Yeah, for my.
Just go pick them up.
For my flex.
You hear this? Ah! So they hooked me up on everything. Look at this. The tweeters, flush mount tweeters. We got stereo. We got tweeters in all doors. Speakers in all doors. So they got a whole custom amp board back here. And then underneath they got the sub box, but it's sitting. That's the one we're gonna put in for right now. And then they got a custom one made back there. It's gonna be sick. But yeah, I'm stoked.
How's it going, Chupapi Moñeño?
Oh man.
We got the rock lights installed. They were also by them. I installed them, but I got the rock lights from them, and it's a whole spaceship. Just hit up Infinite Custom. Infinite Custom has everything. And do like super good work.
Yeah, real light sound systems, 10 wheels, tires, lifts.
Everything.
They actually build SEMA Jeeps. There's one now.
Literally. Oh yeah, Gabe bought that. What?
The trash can.
Oh, the nerves of this guy.
It sucks. You got a hard on?
Look at that Mega Cab.
Just as long as you don't have
It's
a
for sale.
down here, all right?
For
Hit
sale.
up Infinite Custom
$2 whole
to buy that.
Let me correct
And you
that.
can God damn, save something for the rest of us. CJ. I think they're kind of shitting on you a little bit. I think you need more rock lights.
I do. Actually, I thought it was like lit up very well.
Yeah, let's check it out.
I mean, 15 of them.
God. Yeah, well, yours looks like moonlight, and then that's the fucking sun.
facts.
How many's on that?
I don't know, probably 3,000
Yeah,
lights.
you can use more.
You need at least 10. What are they doing in there?
No one believes it's your Scat Pack.
Every time I come to Infinite Customs, they just give me keys to stuff. So today I'm on a Scat Pack. We got my feature right here, parked next to my brand new Scat Pack. They said it's loud or something.
No.
What the hell was that? It literally was like, ah!
Decent.
Is that a comment?
Smells like brakes. I just put new brake pads this morning.
They're gone. Sorry. I think I want my mega cab to sit that tall.
Put it on bags so you can be
It's too
ignorant
short.
and tow.
Too short?
Too short. It's got to be at least 20.
What is going on here? This yours?
Yep.
Why?
Why not?
Oh, I think they got moose mirrors on this thing.
Oh!
These speakers rattled so hard, it blew the doors off and the hatch.
Whole ass dildo as a shifter. Why is it so big?